Hello and welcome to Caribbean TNA. Today I have an unboxing with an 8-inch subwoofer from Soundfire, model R8. This is a subwoofer designed in Trinidad and Tobago, made in China as well most other subs. Let's get down to the unboxing. Here we have the Soundfire sticker, Soundfire spec sheet, and here we have the subwoofer. Put this box aside. Take a look at it. This is the Soundfire R8 8-inch sub, 500 watts. It's 500 watts RMS. Nice build quality. Aluminum frame. Looks like a 2.5-inch voice coil. Let's make sure. Yes, 2.5-inch Folia copper voice coil. 100-ounce magnet on an 8-inch sub. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for an unboxing with the R10 next time. You can get yours at Caltech Customs, corner Success Street, Chaguanas, Trinidad. Check us out on Facebook, Caltech Customs. Thank you.